In a landmark phone call on Monday, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and US President Donald Trump marked their first conversation since Trump's return to the White House. The leaders discussed deepening ties between India and the United States across several key sectors, underscoring their mutual commitment to enhancing bilateral relations. Prime Minister Modi expressed delight in speaking with his dear friend President Trump, congratulating him on his historic second term and reaffirmed their commitment to a mutually beneficial and trusted partnership focused on the welfare of their people and global peace, prosperity, and security. Prime Minister Modi had reached out to President Trump to offer congratulations following his victory in the fiercely contested US presidential election. In a call earlier in November last year, both leaders expressed their desire to collaborate for global peace and stability. Sources reveal that President Trump praised PM Modi, telling him the whole world loves PM Modi, and described India as a magnificent country with Modi as a magnificent man. Trump also emphasized that he considers both PM Modi and India to be close allies, signaling his intent to continue strengthening the strategic partnership. According to sources, Modi was one of the first world leaders to speak to Trump following his electoral success. Following this conversation, PM Modi had taken to social media platform X, sharing his enthusiasm for renewed cooperation. Modi posted, and I quote, "Had a great conversation with my friend President Donald Trump, congratulating him on his spectacular victory. Looking forward to working closely together once again to further strengthen India-US relations across technology, defense, energy, space, and several other sectors." Earlier this month in Washington, India's External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar participated in key engagements, attending the inaugural celebrations of Trump as India's special envoy. Jaishankar met with members of the incoming US administration and held discussions with US Secretary of State Marco Rubio. The two leaders reaffirmed their shared commitment to enhancing India-US relations, touching on a wide range of issues, including defense cooperation, emerging technologies, energy, and the Indo-Pacific region. During his meeting with Secretary Rubio, Jaishankar emphasized the importance of deepening economic ties and advancing collaborative efforts in critical sectors. The discussions also addressed regional security concerns with a focus on maintaining a free and open Indo-Pacific and tackled ongoing challenges such as irregular migration.